In the figure, we have given that line C is parallel to D, angle 2 is congruent to angle 3, and we have to prove that A is parallel to B. So it is given that C is parallel to D. Let me write this. It is given that C is parallel to D. So it means these two lines are parallel. So if this is our transversal, it means that measure of angle 3 and measure of angle 4 is 180 degrees, because these two angles are consecutive interior angles. So if the two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then the consecutive interior angles are supplementary. So the measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 4 is 180 degrees. It is also given, let me write this, that angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. So we can substitute angle 3 by 2 to our equation. So we have that measure of angle 2, I just substitute measure of angle 3 because angle 2 is congruent to angle 3, this is given. So I can substitute to our equation that measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of angle 3. So I just substitute measure of angle 3 by measure of angle 2 because they are equal. And we have plus measure of angle 4 is 180 degrees. So because measure of angle 4 and measure of angle 2 is 180 degrees, we have here pairs of consecutive interior angles. So we have here that angle 2 and angle 4, the pairs of consecutive interior angles. And they are supplementary. So, by the consecutive interior angles converse, we have that line A is parallel to line B. So this is my solution.